Imagine becoming one of the most talked about women in Bollywood. But behind the glamour, there are regrets, threats, controversies, and secrets most people don't know. Sunny Leone has faced criticism from the media, backlash from society, and even death threats online. But today, she's finally opening up about everything. Her biggest regret in life. What really happened during Big Boss? Why her parents were once afraid to send her to school? And the shocking reason she believes Bollywood has become predictable. But the most emotional moment of all is when she talks about losing her mother and the regret that still haunts her today. This story is not just about fame, it's about struggle, controversy, reinvention, and survival. And by the end of this video, you'll see Sunny Leone in a way you never have before. Welcome back to the channel where we explore the untold stories of Bollywood celebrities, industry secrets, and controversial moments that shaped the film world. Today's story is about a woman who entered Bollywood under massive controversy, yet somehow managed to build one of the most powerful personal brands in Indian entertainment. From financial struggles and family heartbreak to Big Boss fame, death threats, and regret, Sunny Leone's life is far more dramatic than any film script. But before we begin, if you love Bollywood gossip, celebrity revelations, and behind-the-scenes stories, make sure you like this video, comment your opinion about Sunny Leone, subscribe for more Bollywood deep dives. Now let's begin the story. Bollywood has become predictable. During a recent conversation, Sunny Leone said something that shocked many film lovers. She said Bollywood has become predictable. Think about it. If you watch many mainstream Hindi films today, you might notice a pattern. The same story structure, the same dramatic entry scenes, the same slow-motion action sequences, the same emotional dialogues. And Sunny believes the industry sometimes repeats formulas too much. She pointed out how audiences today are smarter than ever. People have access to global content through OTT platforms. They watch Korean dramas, Hollywood thrillers, European cinema. So when Bollywood repeats the same clichés again and again, viewers start losing interest. But Sunny also believes Bollywood has enormous potential. It just needs to take more creative risks. The most overused Bollywood clichés. Sunny spoke about some of the most common clichés in Bollywood films. For example, the hero who never loses a fight, no matter how many villains attack him. Why Anurag Kashyap's films struggled at the box office. Anurag Kashyap is known for making bold, unconventional cinema. Films like Gangs of Wasseypur changed how crime stories were told in India. But despite critical acclaim, many of his films struggled at the box office. Why? Sunny believes it's because mass audiences and experimental cinema don't always meet halfway. Sometimes, films become too niche, too raw, too different for mainstream audiences. But at the same time, those films inspire a new generation of storytellers. So even if they don't earn huge money immediately, their influence lasts for years. A childhood that wasn't easy. Before Sunny Leone became a global name, she was just a young girl growing up in a conservative family. And surprisingly, her parents were extremely protective. In fact, there was a time when they were afraid to send her to public school. Why? Because they worried about safety. They wanted their daughter to grow up in a protected environment. Sunny has often said that her parents tried to shield her from the harsh realities of the world. But life had other plans. Because growing up, her family also faced financial struggles, something most people never talk about. Financial struggles nobody talks about. Today we see celebrities living luxurious lives, but many of them started from very humble beginnings. Sunny Leone is one of them. There were times when money was tight, times when the family had to make difficult choices, and those struggles shaped her personality. They made her determined to build a stable life, to support her family, to become financially independent. And maybe that determination is what later helped her survive the harsh judgment of the entertainment industry. The biggest regret of her life. Among all the success and fame, there is one regret Sunny Leone openly talks about: the loss of her mother. She has said many times that she wishes she had spent more time with her mom. When people become successful, their schedules become chaotic. Work takes over. Travel never stops. And sometimes, family moments slip away. Sunny has admitted that this is something she will always regret. Not being there enough. Not spending enough time. And it's a reminder that even celebrities carry emotional scars. South Indian film sets versus Bollywood. Sunny also revealed something interesting about working in different film industries. According to her, South Indian film sets are often more organized. The schedules are precise. The working environment is extremely professional. And everyone knows exactly what their role is. This level of discipline impressed her a lot. It's one of the reasons why South Indian cinema has grown so rapidly in recent years. Films like Bahubali, Pushpa, and RRR changed global perception of Indian cinema. And Sunny believes there is a lot Bollywood can learn from that system. The future of AI in movies. Another fascinating topic she discussed was artificial intelligence in filmmaking. Will AI replace actors? Will it replace technicians? Sunny believes technology will definitely change the industry. But she also believes human creativity cannot be replaced. AI might help with visual effects, editing, virtual production, but the emotional connection between an actor and an audience, that's something technology can't replicate. At least not yet. Building a powerful personal brand. One of Sunny Leone's greatest achievements is her personal brand. She entered Bollywood under heavy criticism. Many people doubted whether she would survive in mainstream cinema. But she reinvented herself. Reality shows, movies, business ventures, social media presence. Slowly, she transformed public persona. Bigg Boss, the turning point. For many people in India, Sunny Leone first became a household name through Bigg Boss. Her entry created massive headlines. Some viewers supported her, others criticized the decision. But one thing is undeniable. Bigg Boss introduced her to millions of Indian viewers. And from that moment, her Bollywood journey truly began. The dark side of fame. Fame brings success, but it also brings danger. Sunny has revealed that she received online abuse and even death threats. Imagine dealing with that level of fear, knowing that strangers on the internet might wish harm upon you. But instead of quitting, she continued moving forward, focusing on work, ignoring negativity, and protecting her family. Artist afraid to speak freely. Sunny also raised an important point. Many artists in India feel afraid to speak openly because every opinion can trigger controversy. Social media outrage, political backlash, or public judgment. So many celebrities prefer to stay silent, and that silence is becoming a bigger conversation within the entertainment industry. The film she regrets. Interestingly, Sunny Leone has also admitted that there is one film she feels ashamed of. Not because of the audience reaction, but because she personally felt it didn't represent her best work. Every actor experiences this moment. A project that doesn't turn out the way they hoped. But acknowledging that mistake requires honesty, and Sunny didn't hide it. Sunny Leone's story is not just about fame, it's about transformation. From controversy to acceptance, from criticism to success, from personal regret to emotional growth. Her journey reminds us that celebrities are not just headlines. They are human beings with struggles, fears, regrets, and dreams. And sometimes, the most fascinating stories in Bollywood are the ones happening behind the camera. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Sunny Leone's story, make sure to like this video, comment your thoughts about her journey, subscribe for more Bollywood gossip and celebrity stories. Because here, we don't just talk about Bollywood, we uncover the stories behind the glamour. See you in the next one, and that is the story behind the headlines. Because in Bollywood, what we see on the screen is only a small part of the truth. Behind the glamour, behind the red carpets, behind the paparazzi flashes, there are stories most people never hear. Stories of struggles, stories of controversies, stories of sacrifices that shape the lives of the stars we watch every day. And that's exactly what this channel is all about. On Celeb Maki, we don't just talk about Bollywood news. We dive deep into the untold stories, hidden controversies, industry secrets, and shocking truths behind your favorite celebrities and films. From dramatic rivalries to behind-the-scenes industry politics. From emotional success stories to the dark side of fame that the media rarely talks about. Every video here is designed to take you closer to the real Bollywood. Not the scripted version, but the real one. The one filled with ambition, power, heartbreak, drama, and unforgettable moments. So, if you're someone who loves Bollywood gossip, celebrity deep dives, controversial revelations, and insider stories, then you're in the right place. Because on this channel, every story has layers, every celebrity has a past, and every success has a price. If you enjoyed this video and want more stories like this, make sure you hit the like button because your support helps this channel reach more Bollywood fans like you. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Celeb Maki and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next big Bollywood story. Trust me, some of the upcoming stories we're about to uncover are even more shocking than this one. Until then, keep watching, keep keep questioning the headlines and keep exploring the real stories behind the stars. I'll see you in the next video on Celeb Maki, where Bollywood's biggest secrets finally get revealed.